Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on mass. In simple terms, mass is the amount of matter that makes up an object. The basic unit of mass is the kilogram. The following conversions are extremely useful. 1000 milligrams equal 1 gram. 1000 grams equal 1 kilogram. 1000 kilograms equal 1 ton. Let's look at some examples. Answer the following questions. Convert 6,000 grams to kilograms. The solution? 6,000 grams equals 6,000 over 1,000 kilograms. We divide by 1,000 because there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So when we work out that fraction there, the answer is 6 kilograms. Number 2. Convert 9,000 milligrams to grams. Solution. 9,000 milligrams equals 9,000 over 1,000 grams, which is 9 grams. Convert 7,000 kilograms to tons. Solution. 7,000 kilograms equals 7,000 over 1,000 tons, which is 7 tons. You can see how these are straightforward because we're dealing with powers of 10. Change 3,687 kilograms to tons. Solution. 3,687 kilograms equals 3,687 over 1,000 tons, which is 3.687 tons. Change 7,653 grams to kilograms. Solution. 7,653 grams equals 7,653 over 1,000 kilograms, which is 7.653 kilograms. Here we're finding 2/5 of 3 kilograms. Sorry, 2/5 of 3 kilograms. That's correct. And we're doing it in grams, so the answer has to be in grams. Well, for the solution, we firstly change 3 kilograms to grams because we want the answer in grams. So we're really finding 2/5 of 3,000 grams, which is 2/5 of 3,000 over 1. 2 over 5 times 3,000 over 1. 5 into 5 goes once. 5 into 3,000 goes 600. 2 times 600 is 1,200 grams, and that's the answer. So this video has introduced the basic idea of mass, and we've looked at the basic unit of mass, which is the kilogram, and other conversions, and we've shown how to do some simple examples. And the reason it's so straightforward is because everything is based on powers of 10.